Hello students, welcome to Sir's classes. In this video, I will be solving some of the questions of number theory. And our first question, you have to show that the sum of cubes of the number of divisors of the divisor of a given number is equal to the square of their number. That is, suppose the number is n is equals to 18. Now the divisors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, and the number of divisors of 18 are, this is 1, this has 2, it has 2, that is 3 into 1, this has 4, this has 3 and this has 6. So the sum of cube of these divisors, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 cube plus 6 cube, which is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 6 cube, which is equals to 324. And now the sum of squares of these divisors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 square, which is equals to 18 square, which is again equals to 324. Now we have to prove that it is true for all n and not just for 18. Now this can let our number n is equals to p1 raised to the power a1 into p2 raised to the power a2 into so on into pn raised to the power an. Now we can get the answer by showing that f of n is equals to f of n square, where f of p1 raised to the power a1 is given by summation r runs from 0 to ai r plus 1 cube, and f of p1 a1 is equals to, this is a1, summation r runs from 0 to a1, this is a1, r plus 1. Now we have f of n is equals to f of p1 raised to the power a1 into p2 raised to the power a2 and so on till pn raised to the power an, which is equals to product f of p1 raised to the power a1 into f of p2 raised to the power a2 into f of pn raised to the power an. Now we know that f of p1 raised to the power a1 is equals to summation r runs from 0 to a1 r plus 1 cube, which is nothing but a1 plus 1 into a1 plus 2 divided by 2 cube. Hence our fn is equals to a1 plus 1 into a1 plus 2 into a2 plus 1 into a2 plus 2, so on till an plus 1 into an plus 2 divided by 2 raised to the power n whole square. Now our f of n is equals to, similarly, f of p1 raised to the power a1 into f of p2 raised to the power a2, so on till f of pn raised to the power an. Now f of p1 raised to the power a1 is equals to a1 plus 1 into a1 plus 2 divided by 2. So we have our f of n is equals to a1 plus 1 into a1 plus 2 into a2 plus 1 into a2 plus 2 into so on till an plus 1 into an plus 2 divided by 2 raised to the power n. Now comparing these two, we can get that f of n is equals to f of n square.